Hi, what's up guys? Happy Monday. On today's video, we're opening up this Pokémon Galarian Rapidash V-Box and also this Knockout Collection Lucario Set. Remember to drop a sub and drop a like. Now let's rip these open and see what we get. Hope everyone had a nice weekend, by the way. Alright, set this down and I'm just gonna rip this open. Alright, here you go. Here's our large promo card. Here's the first code card of the day. Grab our booster packs. Here's the oversized cardigan. Set this here to the side. We have our promo here. There's the Galarian Rapidash V. Beautiful, beautiful card. Grab a sleeve real quick. Set it here to the side. Let's see what booster packs came in this. Battle Styles. Alright. Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. Another Battle Styles. And a Rebels Clash. Alright. Let's mix them up. Let's start the opening. Okay. Battle Styles is up first. Let's see what we can pull from here. There's the second code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. We have our energy card, our trainer card. Whoops. Up front, Crawdont, Mienfoo, Yamper, Glameow, Corphish, Scatterbug, and a Meowstic Reverse Hollow. And a non-hollow Victory Bell. Alright. Not bad. Set these cards to the side. And now a Darkness Ablaze booster pack. Let's see if we can pull that Charizard from here. Okay. There's the code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a Lightning Energy. And our trainer card. Lunatone. Corvisquire. Rowlet. Skitty. Toxel. Morlo. Larvista. Reverse Hilo Dano. And a non-hollow Vanillux. Alright. Tough beginning there. Hope we can pull something out of these last two packs. Battle Style. Green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a Leaf Energy. Is sharp. Our energy card. Camping Gear Trainer. Shinx, Blipbug, Ponyard, Mankey, Sislipede, Trainer Mustard, and a non-hollow Galarian Mr. Ryan. Alright, this box has been a little tough. Alright, it comes down to this pack. And we still have that Lucario Knockout little box there. Let's see if we can get anything. There's the white code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a Fire Energy. Is that a hint? We're gonna get something from this pack. Energy. Are we gonna redeem ourselves? Phalanx. Masquerain. Milcery. Growlithe. Beautiful art there. Set this one to the side. Impidimp. Bumblebee, Phantom, alright. And a Magmortar, Reverse Hollow, 3, 2, 1 guys. And a Hollow Rare Duraludon. Alright, that box was a strike. Ow. But that's alright. We got these little hits and the knockout pack to open. So yeah, let's make this open. Let's see what booster packs come in here. And I believe that's the promo that it comes with. The Lucario promo. Sweet. And oh, a code card for this. Sweet. White code card for you guys. Set this to the side. Oh, and beautiful coin there. Set it to the side. And let's see what booster packs. An XY Ancient Origins. Alright, let's go, guys. And a XY Primal Clash. Sweet. Okay. So let's set these here for now. And let's open these up. The B Sharp promo. Let's see what else you get in here. Was it just that card? No, I think there's another one. Oh yeah. There you go. The oh, how do you pronounce it? Zoroark? There you go. Zoroark. Okay, let's leave these up real quick. Let's see. Okay. We have the Lucario. Alright. Let's leave up the B Sharp. Cool. And the Zoroark. Booster packs here. Okay. Table's starting to get a little messy there. Alright, let's do this, guys. XY Primal Clash. See if we can get anything out of these. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3. I think, is it 3? Let's do 3. For the XY evolution. Oh, I think I did it wrong. But we got the Rare Candy Trainer card, Electric, Silent Lab Trainer card, Feebas, Slugma, Bunnelby, Lotad, Meditite. He's like meditating. Wishcash, and Reeling. Okay. Alright. Now it comes down to this last pack, XY Ancient Origins, guys. Can we get something? Even a V card, anything? Actually, I'm not sure if these have a V card. There's the last code card of the day. And this time, let's just turn it around. I'm not sure if it's 3 cards from the back. But here we go. We got the Magikarp, Spinarak, Beldune, Wooper, Golurk, Rotom Reverse Hollow, Gyarados, pretty cool looking card there, Metang, our trainer Hex Maniac, and a Rotom. Alright guys, that was a little tough. Okay, these are the hits we got. Duraludon. Well, the Growlithe, I just really like the art there. And then the promos, Zoroark, B Sharp, Lucario, and our Galarian Rapidash V. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Stay amazing. Keep collecting. Happy hunting. Have a great week. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next one.